Students, good morning. I am Sarita. In previous classes, we have completed our first topic, use of the forms of the verbs. And in today's class, we will discuss about the use of articles. First of all, we know that what is article? The demonstrative adjectives a, an, and the have been given the collective name articles. What are articles? Means demonstrative adjectives which consist a, an, and the. And these articles are divided into two categories. First is the definite article. The second is the indefinite article a or n. These are two categories of articles, definite article and indefinite articles. Now, first of all, we start uses of indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. The form of indefinite articles is a or n. The form of a is used before a word beginning with a consonant. Where we use beginning with a consonant, we use article a. It is also used with a word beginning with a vowel which sounds like a consonant. By example, we clear it. A pen, a table, a boy, and also a university, a European, a useful thing. Next is the form of an is used before the words beginning with a vowel a, e, I, o, u. Words beginning with a mute h also, and as well as with a consonant which sounds a vowel. We use n. Example: an owl, an elephant, an hour, here h is silent, an MLA, an SHO. These are the example where we use n. Now, uses of indefinite articles, point by points. First point is it is used before a singular noun which is countable. Where we use indefinite article, first point is it is used before a singular noun which is countable when it is mentioned before the first time. Example: I see a bird on that tree. On that tree, I see a bird. Next is a house has a roof. Point 2. With the name of professions or occupations, we use indefinite article with professions or occupations. For example, my father is a doctor. I want to become a teacher. Next point is in the sense of per, to express price or speed. When we express price or speed in the sense of per, we use indefinite article a or n. Example: milk sells 50 rupees a kilo. He drives at 40 miles an hour. Our next point is fourth point, in the numerical sense of the word one. To show numerical word one, we use a or n. Example: I bought a new watch. He gave me a gift. Our next point is fifth point. Before a singular countable noun which is used as an example of class of things and species. Before a singular countable noun which is used as an example of the class of things or species. Example, a dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a faithful animal, a dog. A pine tree grows very tall. Our next point or last point is use of a before few and little words. Few or little, before few or little, we use a. A few and a little mean a small number and a small amount. A few means a small number, a little a small amount. Few stands for number and little stands for amount. And few and little without article have an almost negative meaning. It means when few or little are used without article, it means they give negative sense. Example, there are a few students in the class. Second example, there is a little water in the jug. These are our examples of indefinite articles. Thank you.